Hi, this is Alan Davis with Louisville Home Inspections, and I found something very interesting on the outside of the house and wanted to share it with you. There's a natural gas meter, which I see all day long, and the interesting thing here is not the gas meter, but it's what's behind the gas meter. It's the dryer vent, and the dryer vent discharge is blocked by the natural gas meter. So when you're trying to use your dryer, only the bottom louver or two are opening up. The top two louvers are obstructed. So anyway, obviously somebody didn't think when they mounted the gas meter directly in front of the dryer vent. For Louisville Home Inspections, this is Alan.